Are you trying to replace spaghetti with zucchini noodles? Well, in this unsponsored
Is that even a word?
video, I am going to take the SpiraLife Spiralizer and put it to the test to see how it works.
Kitchen Gadget Corner with Daddy.
I have been using the Spiralizer for more than 3 years now in order to replace the loaded with carbohydrates pasta in our dishes with a healthier vegetable alternative, mainly zucchini. I must say, after trying the zucchini noodles, linked to the recipe in the description, I actually prefer using zucchini noodles over conventional spaghetti noodles with my homemade spaghetti sauce. The link to that recipe is also in the description, but I gotta warn you, it was the 4th video I ever published on YouTube, so it's a bit, rough around the edges to say the least. Oh, but you're here for the Spiralizer, right? Well, let's take a look. My way to use the Spiralizer is to twist 4 or 5 times and then take out the zucchini. Put the zucchini back in and twist another 4 or 5 times and repeat until the zucchini is small. I take out the zucchini after 4 or 5 twists to keep my zucchini noodles at a good length for me and my family. For longer zucchini noodles, just keep twisting, just keep twisting, just keep twisting without taking out the zucchini. If I kept going without taking the zucchini out, zucchini noodles can get very, very long. Once the zucchini gets too small to handle, it comes with this handy spiked top that you can smash into the zucchini and continue to twist beyond how far I'm willing to twist with my exposed hand. And that is very good because I don't want to touch those sharp blades with my hand. It's not going to be like a cheese grater where my hand doesn't get grated. Oh no. It's more like a set of small knives that will spiralize my hand if I let it. After I get as many spirals out of zucchini that my hand is comfortable with, I am left with this little nub of zucchini. No avoiding it, you're always going to have a little nub when using a Spiralizer. This little nub can be eaten, chopped up, or thrown away. Then the SpiraLife Spiralizer has this other side, the ribbon tool. Personally, I'm not into the ribbons, but I'll show you how it works anyway. I use the same method for the ribbon machine as I do the Spiralizer. I just keep twisting, just keep twisting, just keep twisting till I've got the length I want and then pull out the zucchini. Put the zucchini back in, twist, and repeat. This hand Spiralizer works well for soft vegetables like zucchini. Cleanup? Well, there is this brush that comes in the package, which I have probably lost by now, which helps clean the small blades on the Spiralizer side, which is necessary to get the small leftover pieces of zucchini off the blades without putting my fingers in danger. The ribbon side cleans like you would clean a knife, so it doesn't need the brush. We have also washed the Spiralizer in the top shelf of the dishwasher without any problems whatsoever. Compared with the Spiralizer that I use that came with the Fullstar vegetable chopper, link to that review down below, this one is much easier to use and does a much better job spiralizing up the vegetables, especially the soft ones like zucchini, which is its main purpose. I am not a big fan of one-use tools in the kitchen, but since my goal is to have a zucchini noodles, I guess I must have a single-purpose Spiralizer just to fit that need. And at only about $16 from Amazon.com, link in the description, it's a worthy addition to my kitchen since it's small and doesn't take up much space and does the job better than any other Spiralizer I have used. Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.